To add a label to your piece, you're going to click onto options, right click on, you're going to click onto options, and then you're going to see this labels here, and you click onto the label and you'll come up with this. You're going to go into piece label and you're going to edit the, go to edit, and you come up with another box here where you can add in your label name. So you're just going to use this plus, you're going to press plus there, and in the bottom here where the text column is, you're going to add to say this is the back bodice. So I'm going to type in back bodice and pressing OK. And as you'll note here, it appeared in this box here on the top. You can use it as a bold, you can make it in bold, you can use it italics. You see, you can do that. You will go through this and you can see, and you can even increase, I think, the size on here by clicking. You see, you can increase the size by clicking the arrow keys going up and down. You can decrease and increase the size. And then you're going to say OK. And then now you're going to go into the label part. And then this is the piece label you're going to enter. You're going to click onto the piece label. And then the width of your label is going to be, this is the width and the height of the label. So I'm going to leave the width as 10. And I'm just going to put in here as 5 for my height. There's various other things that you can do here, but a little bit complicated, so I'm not going to explain it. As you learn Valentina, then this is a little bit more detailed information, so you can work on that at a later stage. And then I'm going to click apply, and when I click apply and OK, as you can see, my label has appeared on the top here. So I'm going to click with my mouse button and hold onto the piece, and I'm going to drag it into the section where I want to have my label. And then if you note here, there's a little dot on this. When you click onto the dot, you notice that the X appears, and that is either to increase or decrease the size of your label. You can just move it and shift it around, and that is how you use that. And if you want to have it also, if you want to have your piece rotated, you're going to click onto this thing. You can see little rotation signs appearing on either side, on the left and right. And then you're going to just use that, click onto, hold onto your mouse button and the left button, and then you can just rotate it. Okay, and that's how you add your label to your garment. But further, you can also add, if you click here and options, and you can also click your grain line, and you click grain line and it says grain line visible, and you got also, you're going to click your rotation and your length, so you can have it on the straight, and you just say apply and okay. Well, it gives me an error. I don't know why it's doing that. And then you just take that and you can move that, and then just like the label, it's got a little dot here. You can click onto the dot, and that you can increase or decrease the size of your grain line. You move it around, or you can just click onto the dot, and when it appears, and then you can just move it around. That's how you label the garment, and you add your grain line. And you can also label your grain line, and you can label it just like this, and then you can take your grain line where you say grain line, and you can rotate it in the angle and place it next to the grain line. And by pressing Alt L, you see the labels have disappeared. You cannot see the labels